Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start tenant insurance with State Farm, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the State Farm website. Look for the section dedicated to renters or tenant insurance. Click on the link to learn more about the coverage options available. Review the types of coverage offered to see what best fits your needs. Identify the personal property limits you would require. Consider additional coverages such as liability protection or additional living expenses. Next, gather necessary personal information for the application. Prepare details like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Collect information about your rental property, including its address and type. List any personal valuables and their estimated values for insurance purposes. Once you have all the information, navigate to the online quote section. Fill out the required fields for the online quote request. Choose the coverage options that best suit your situation. After submitting your request, wait for your quote to be generated. Review the quote carefully, noting the premium and coverage details. If you're satisfied with the quote, proceed to the next steps. Start the application process by entering your contact information. Follow any prompts to finalize the application and submit it. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation. You may need to provide additional documents or information as requested. After your policy is approved, you'll receive your policy documents via email. Read through the policy documents to understand your coverage fully. Make sure to keep a copy of the documents for your records. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact State Farm Customer Service. Consider setting up automatic payments for your premium to avoid lapses in coverage. Congratulations, you are now insured with State Farm Tenant Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.